Hi, I'm Charles Hamper, and I'm an e-learning media developer. For the past 7 years, I've been making learning modules using Articulate software, and I find I often have need for avatars in these projects. So I'd like to take a moment and show you how I'm making avatars with a current project that I'm working on. The design calls for a hand-drawn, back-of-the-napkin sort of look. And I've added to it a little bit by having these stars spin around because this character is a little overwhelmed at the moment, so by all the work that they have to do. So here's a quick preview of what that looks like. There's the character, and here come the stars because she's overwhelmed with all this work. Alright, so let me show you how I set this up. In Photoshop, I started out with, I have a drawn layer, and that drawn layer I created from just a stock photo that I found, probably in Google image search. And I'll drop the opacity down to maybe 30%. And over the top of that, I add my drawing. And the drawing I do using the paintbrush tool, probably about 3 pixels. And I like to use not a complete black, like maybe a light, like a dark gray. Then over the top of that, you can add your stars. Here I'm going to remove that layer so you can see the outline. That's what it looks like. And then I would add the stars, changing a little bit each time to animate them. And from this, you can create an animated GIF using this as your base layer and the stars as the changing animated layer. So once you have your animated GIF, you can bring it back into Storyline and drop it right in. And here I have just a standard picture without the stars, and then I have the other picture, the animated GIF with the actual stars. You put them together and it looks like this, like we saw before. So it's kind of a neat way to add custom avatars to your projects with just a little bit of work and add a little extra with some animation.